Welcome to another episode of This Old Hooptie, where I take this piece of crap and try and make it into something a little more pretty, I hope. Got a bunch of stuff going on today, but for the most part, we're turning this thing black. Also got the Beast over there, the 2000 Tahoe Limited, that just got back from the repair shop. AC is now done in that truck, and all the suspension work that I did was looked over, and everything is perfect, so it's ready for the road. This one here, we've got the parts that we painted last time over here. I've got one part that I've got to get black on that table there, and the entire cab. So today's video, we're going to mix up some more Rustoleum with the catalyst, get this thing painted black, and keep moving forward. Let's get started. I'm going to quickly go over everything. We're going to do the short version. You ready? Here we go. I'm going to be using the Minimite 5 Platinum to spray the truck. That comes with the Fuji T75 gun. I switched the top end over to the version 2 PPS system. That's so I can use these cups with disposable liners. The truck is completely covered. Anything that I don't want paint on. Got something to stand on so I can do the roof of the truck. First I washed it with the Dawn dish soap. Cleaned the glass so I can get the tape to stick and whatnot. All the rubbers and stuff like that. The trim was cleaned with this. Anything that was painted or scuffed up was then wiped down with the Prep All Waxing Grease Remover. As you guys requested, I have also tacked it off with some of these from Harbor Freight. To wrap the truck after being cleaned, I used HDX painter's plastic from Home Depot, some masking tape, and some painter's paper, also from Home Depot. Quick disclaimer, what works for me may not work for you, so do this type of stuff at your own risk. I'm going to mix the Rustoleum at a 4:2 ratio with 2 ounces of the Majic catalyst. Everything that I'm using in this video will be in the description below or to the side, so click on that if you want more information, links to get it, etc., etc., etc. Let's mix up the paint. Let's get started. One extra tip is to, when you buy this at the hardware store, ask them to mix it up in their paint shakers, and if you wait a while until you use it, shake it up yourself, mix it again with a stirring stick, because it will separate over time. Also, you'll notice that I do not use filters, because the filters are built into the caps of the PPS system, so if you're wondering, that's why. And we are going to thin it with acetone. And then we're going to give it our 2 ounces of our hardener. All right, now we'll mix this up real good. So, like I said in the last video, if you guys didn't see that one, I like it to start dripping in 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So not bad as far as orange peels go, not the best, but like I said, it's still flattening, it's still wet. And shiny that is. Very little orange peel when you compare it to this, which I just got done spraying. Same thing with back here. I sprayed this first, so you can see it's like a mirror. You can see my hand in there. So I'll go from this way here. So it looks pretty good. Like I said, it's still flattening out a bit. There's my repair right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. All right, guys. You guys have seen what the truck looks like, and now the truck is looking good, the frame is looking really bad. Let me show you that. As you can see, the truck's all shiny. That, not so much. So we're gonna start cleaning up this. Somewhere around here, I will put an image up of the air suspension stuff. I explained that to you guys in the last video. We are going to be redoing the whole suspension on this truck. So after I've gotten this cleaned off, while it's apart, we're going to assemble the new suspension. Stay tuned for that stuff. It should be pretty good. So hit that notification bell after you subscribe. That way you guys can keep up with my latest videos, and you guys know what to do. Like it if you like, don't if you don't. Hit that subscribe button to keep up with my latest shenanigans, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.